The building that we're in right now is titled the Central Maintenance Building. It's a place where the maintenance organization is housed and all the associated departments that feed into the work that we do.
Maintenance will primarily support production in the site, doing reactive and proactive maintenance activities. So if it's equipment that needs to be repaired or anything like that, that's what we're on the job for to do.
Maintenance will be vital in supporting running a safe and reliable operation for the asset and help start up and commission this facility.
We really wanted to make sure that there was one central location. In this facility, we have the administrative building upstairs, we're connected to the warehouse, the technician shops. It's kind of a one-stop place to be for maintenance.
The shop is a crazy exciting milestone, as is the CMB, because now all of this furniture that we have, all the gear that we've been buying for 2.5 years, we actually get to put our hands on it, we get to touch it, we get to see it. It's monumental.
Being able to come here and have a seat instead of working from home or working from trailers, so it's really great getting this maintenance building handed over to us.
It's beginning to feel like we're transitioning from a project site to a running asset site.
Seeing buildings turned over, seeing pieces of equipment turned over, and this building is just another step in that process. It feels really good to be moving forward one step closer to the plant being ours, to starting up, to being unrivaled polyethylene producer.